In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change your chart style to candlesticks in Tradingview. Candlestick charts are one of the most popular formats for analyzing market trends. Let's get started. First, go to tradingview.com and make sure you're signed in to your account. Logging in lets you save chart settings for future use. Next, go to the Products tab at the top of the page and click to expand the drop-down. Then, select Super Charts so you can load the interactive trading chart view. After that, go to the line icon in the top left corner of the chart area. This icon controls the current chart type you're using. Now choose Candles from the list. The chart will instantly switch to Candlestick view, giving you a clear view of price action with open, high, low, and close data. And that's how you switch to Candlestick view in Tradingview. Candles give you a powerful visual tool for analyzing the market. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick guides like this. See you next time!